So I've seen a lot of spare tire deletes and thought, well, let's lose some of that weight. So I have this spare tire carrier that I took, and I decided to do some changes. So you can buy on Amazon the Delete kit, which includes this plate and the bolts surrounding it, or you use your own bolts. Then there's plugs, these rubber plugs that you can fill the holes in that it leaves when you take off your spare tire mounts and your lights. Wile E. Coyote made a dent in my rear tailgate. But here's what you'll come up with. This is it after I did all the changes. So let me know in the comments if this would work for you. So this is what I carry as a tire kit, really inexpensive. I also carry some spare valve stem replacement, and this is a glue that 3M came out with that glues rubber together. So let me know if any of these works for you, and tell me if I'm crazy or not.